gotta support all talent. Hey, what's up guys? This is Ramus23. I'm about to start vlog 10 for this channel. Today for vlog 10 is going to be a travel vlog. I'm going to be traveling from Cebu to Bohol in approximately 2 hours. I'm going to take you guys on this journey for you guys that are interested in knowing how do you get from here, from Cebu to Bohol. I'm going to give you guys a layout of how everything looks and as well share some of my personal experiences here. But yeah, this is what this vlog is going to be about. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get this party started. Yeah, we do fit. I thought you had big luggage. You got the big boy out and the big boy junior right to get some good footage. I just use the cool. Huh? Use what? The
Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Fine.
Good.
So we're going to Pier 1.
Yes, sir.
You have tickets already?
Yeah.
Or you still buy?
Oh. Yeah, we got them.
Okay.
So now we're headed to Pier 1, right? Pier 1. There's another pier, you said? That one can go? Pier 1 and Pier 2 and 3. We're taking Pier 1.
4, 5, 6 also.
Oh, 4, 5, 6 as well. Where you can get your tickets to go to another island. Alright, so here. Gotta get our stuff. So 25 peso terminal fee. Paid our terminal fee. We're gonna go in and get our tickets. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, so we have to pass through metal detectors. So let's do that. Oh yeah, male and female metal detectors. Alright, so we just passed the metal detectors. Now we're headed to the area where we wait for our boat. Oh, actually no. Sorry guys. We have to... This is check-in? Okay, so yeah, right here is where you check in. Okay, so if you guys want to know the prices for the boat, there's 3 options. The first option is no AC. If you guys can tolerate the heat, go for it. It's a cheaper deal for $4.50. If you guys want like a cool ride, you know, with an AC, it's $500. Now, if you want to go baller and just go all out and just have a AC and, you know, a good seat, I'm not sure. I didn't really read about the seat, like what's so good about it, but anyways, there's lesser people, obviously because it's expensive. I believe that options. What was the option? What was the price for that? Like 800 for the business, or like 750? So 750 to 800 around there. When you get your ticket, if you're going back to where you're at and then coming back, if you're getting a taxi and you want the taxi to take you all the way inside, like we did, it's a $10 fee. Sorry, 10 peso fee. Once you get inside,
Up there?
you have to pay a terminal fee of 25 pesos. Once you pay that, you're good to go. You come here and you wait for your trip, for your boat to get here, and it's a done deal. Support all talent. make it. We're ready to board now. Alright, so we're about to board our boat now to Bohol. One more time. Okay, so that's the boat that we're gonna be boarding right here. Alright, we're about to board. We just got to Bohol. We are in Bohol. Behold, Bohol. Bohol. Alright guys, we're gonna wait here for our van. It's gonna pick us up so we can start that. It's gonna start our tour and it's gonna take us to our place that we're gonna be staying at. Well, we're not gonna be here for that long here in Bohol, just for today, tomorrow. Yeah, basically till tomorrow. We'll leave back to Cebu at the end of the day tomorrow. But we have a lot of things planned for tomorrow, which I will give you guys a bunch of footage on my camera, and as well I brought out the GoPro and the drone to get some aerial footage. So our van is was right behind us. But just a tip, well, not a tip, but like kind of a suggestion I have for you guys is the best thing to do is be prepared. Whenever you're going island hopping or to another island or another destination, I recommend that you do that in advance, because if you don't, I mean, you can go just freestyle and just do whatever you want and just when you get here, get a taxi and stuff, but I think that the best way is to be ready and have everything ready. Hi, how are you?
Itong nag-book ninyo, ma'am. Mag-tour mo, ma'am.
Alright, so we're finally in the place that we're staying at. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Alright guys, we're headed to our room. But this is just how this place looks. It's a resort. Tumalong Beach Resort, I believe it's called. We'll be staying here for one night, and then we'll continue our tour. It's really nice. Alright guys, this is the place that we're staying at for one night. Just give you guys just walk through how it looks. It has a nice pistachio chocolate mint color to it. 2 beds. One chinito named Clyde. And then we have our restroom area, and oh my, that's small. But yeah, you know, traveling on a budget. Okay guys, so we just got settled into our place. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a ride to take us to the famous Bohol Bee Farm. Bohol Bee Farm. Oh, here's something interesting I want to share with you guys. So each island, the tricycles look a little bit different. This one here in Bohol, this is the style of how they are. I haven't seen them in other islands. I think Manila has the same. Cebu has different ones too. So the bumblebee brought us to the bee farm here. Bohol Bee Farm. Thank you, Bumblebee. Thank you. Now we're gonna go to the famous Bohol Bee Farm to get some food, and of course to check it out. I'll do some food reviews here.
Bohol
Farm restaurant. Just gonna get something to eat. Hi. It's really nice here. Wow.
May kasama na yata sa
Such a beautiful view. This is the cassava
Do you eat this, bro?
fish taco, cassava, fresh lumpia.
Yeah?
What is it? The one you got?
honey glaze.
Honey glaze barbecue chicken.
Hold on, let me take a picture.
And we're just waiting for Credo Productions food, and we're about to start grabbing. All right, guys, just a quick glimpse at what we're eating. We got a pizza here, spicy mango pizza. It's not spicy, so it's kind of weird because the waitress brought us the hot sauce, and it is spicy and good. And then we got the fish, cassava fish taco. Very good, very good. Their own traditional taco. It's kind of like in a little cup thing. And then these right here are kind of like spring rolls, but on a cassava. What's inside? Fish. Oh my god, it's my first time trying one, and I gotta say I am hooked already. Okay, guys, we just got done eating. Now, to finish it off, we're gonna get some ice cream here, and I think that would be it. Let's show you guys how the ice cream is, and I can give you guys a food review on the ice cream because I have more lighting out here. Yay! Avocado, chocolate, rice, banana, mango, spicy ginger, guayaba, dragon fruit, mangai, buko, ube, peanut kisses, melon, and salted honey. So many choices. So this is the salted honey, and if you see, this cone is a cassava cone. Cassava is kind of a root, no? Or what is it? Yeah, it's kind of a root. One second, my videographer's getting me some. Thank you. So we're gonna give it a shot. Let's see. Oh, that's good. That's really good. Wow. It's sweet. It's sweet and savory at the same time. Let me take a bite out of this cone too. Yeah. Oh, the cone's good. It's different. It's good, really good. Thank you. It's really delicious. Yep. So if you guys come to Bee Farm, make sure to come and get this ice cream, the salted honey one. There's other flavors as well, which I'm guessing whichever flavor you get, you won't be disappointed.
I'd like to say thanks for being with us tonight. You again tomorrow lunchtime. Take your calls in 2 hours. This is your friend Raymond. I'd like to say good night. Thank you, man. I hope you enjoy my music. Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Is your name Raven?
Raymond.
My name Raven too.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Raven. That's cool. We met another Raven in the vlog. We finally made it. Oh my gosh, there's no good lighting here. Hold on, give me a second. We finally made it back to our place, which you guys know what that means. That means that is officially the end of vlog number 10. Tomorrow we have to wake up early because we have a day full of adventures, stuff that we're gonna do. You're gonna see Ramus 23 do some crazy things, and it's gonna be captured on this camera by my buddy Credo Productions and many more things. So thank you guys for watching, and if you guys like what you see, remember, don't do this. Don't follow, don't subscribe, don't share. Hi. Take care, everyone. Have a great day. Good night. On the next Ramus 23 vlog, a lot planned out for here in Bohol. I'm gonna do a lot of, I'm like kind of nervous, but oh, can this be on the And now we're ziplining back to the other